Welcome back. Today I'm here with another amazing tutorial on how to add makeup with Photoshop. I have already made an tutorial for face retouching. To make your skin smooth naturally, just go and watch that tutorial quickly. Alright, let's start makeup of this model and make her more beautiful. Open your model image and duplicate this original layer on which we will work. I will start from eyebrows. Let's first make her eyebrows more prominent. For that, go to Path from Layers panel and create a new path. Now select the pen tool and start drawing the shape of her eyebrows. Once we have done this, we will select the area we have drawn. To select this, just drag the layer over the selection icon and now go to layers and it will make selection of this area. Now double click on foreground color and select the color black or brown you want to fill in her eyebrows. I am picking this dark brown color. Now go to edit and choose fill option and then select the foreground color and keep rest of the options default and press OK. Alright, now our eyebrows are filled with color, but you can see it looks so sharp on the edges. Go to filter and blur and select gaussian blur and set its radius around 20 pixels. Now choose the blending mode to multiply and lower down the opacity. Now we will darken the hair color to make it more natural. Just go to adjustments and choose curves. Lower the curves a little bit, not so much. Now we will invert the curves mask by clicking Ctrl plus I button. Select the brush tool with white foreground color and 50% flow and start painting the eyebrow area. Now you can see some of the hairs are here which will remove now. Just select the spot healing brush and start brushing and they will disappear perfectly. Okay, now we have done with eyebrows. Make a group of all these layers and name the group eyebrows. Alright, now we will do the eyeshadow part. First go to the adjustment layer and choose curves. Lower down the curves a little bit and invert the mask. Now select the white brush and paint the eyeshadow area only. Once we have done darken the eyeshadow area, we will color them. Go to adjustment layer and select hue and saturation option and increase the saturation and adjust the hue. Alright, now repeat this step, invert the mask and start painting the area where we want to reveal the colors. I will add different colors in eyebrows, so let's follow my steps. Alright, pretty good. Now we will apply eyeliner. Just go to path and make a new path, select the pen tool and start making a line near the eyelashes. Once we have done making the path, make selection by just dragging the layer over here. Go to layers and make a new layer. Now choose the color. I am selecting this dark brown color as we have selected just before for hairs. Go to edit and fill and then fill the color. Okay, now we have done it with color. Now make the edge softer, go to filter and Gaussian blur. Keep it around 1.5 to 2 pixels and press OK. Now go to blend mode option and select multiply. Beautiful. We have applied a very beautiful eyeliner on upper side of the eye. Now we will repeat the same step for bottom area. Alright, great. We have done the lower eyeliner. Now make a group of both eyeliners layer. To make the eyeliners look more natural, just select the burn tool from toolbar and select the background layer and start burning around the area. Now the last thing for eyes, we will enhance the eyeballs colors. Follow me to do so. Now the next thing we will do is to apply blush. It's very easy and quick. Alright, let's change the lip color. We have successfully completed the makeup transformation using Photoshop techniques. By following these steps, we have enhanced various facial features from defining the eyebrows to adding eyeshadows, eyeliner and even adjusting the lip color. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on digital image editing. Thank you for joining me today and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.